Magnesium is an important mineral for several body parts, including heart, bone, and brain health. Still, many of us are missing the mark. Watch this video on Pars Health TV to discover the warning symptoms of not getting enough magnesium and how to fix it. Number 10. You're frequently constipated. Yes, being low or deficient in magnesium can also mean being low in bowel movements. For the most part, foods that are rich in magnesium are also rich in fiber, so if you don't get enough magnesium, you aren't getting enough fiber, which means irregularity in that pesky digestive system. Don't overdo it on the magnesium. Too much can also send your bowels in disarray. Number 9. Nausea or vomiting. Another of the nonspecific magnesium deficiency signs is nausea or vomiting. It is similar to when you eat something bad. Remember what you feel so you can accurately say it to your healthcare professional, but keep an eye out for other signs that can be collected together to shed light on what's going on. Number 8. Fatigue and weakness. People feel fatigued from time to time. But suppose you're feeling constant fatigue that doesn't get better with sufficient rest and quality sleep. In that case, it's time to take notes and visit a doctor. It's worth saying that fatigue isn't enough to diagnose you because it's such a nonspecific sign of low magnesium levels. You probably pair fatigue with weakness.
Because this mineral has a critical role in good muscle functioning, more on that in a second, a deficient magnesium intake leads to myasthenia, the fancy name for muscle weakness.
This occurs because magnesium deficiency is linked with a reduction in potassium levels in muscle cells, also named hypokalemia. Scientists believe this loss of potassium leads to muscle weakness. Number 7. You have trouble falling asleep. While too little magnesium can leave you fatigued, that doesn't mean you will have a good night's sleep. Numerous promising studies indicate how magnesium can influence sleep for the better, thanks to a neurotransmitter called GABA. GABA hinders your thinking and allows you to ease into sleep mode. Too little magnesium in your diet could leave you with racing opinions and poor stress control at night when you only want to catch a few Z's. Number 6. Muscle spasms and cramps. With the rise of training culture, more individuals are aware that muscle cramps are a symptom of magnesium deficiency. Magnesium has an essential role in supporting muscle relaxation and handling muscle contractions. In reality, you have heard about or even tried an Epsom salt bath after an intense gym workout session, which is one form of this vital mineral, magnesium sulfate. But lack of magnesium can cause physical consequences far beyond crampings, such as tremors and even seizures. Unfortunately, for older people experiencing cramping, getting rid of the muscular pain isn't as simple as supplementing with magnesium, even though analyses reveal the mineral can assist in relieving cramps and twitches in other groups of deficient people. Magnesium deficiency can also lead to secondary deficiency, hypocalcemia, or calcium deficiency, generating muscle spasms and cramps. So genuinely getting rid of them likely needs the correction of both conditions. Number 5. High blood pressure. Multiple studies that from what we think about blood pressure and low magnesium levels are done in rats, not individuals. These analyses suggest magnesium deficiency is related to high blood pressure, which may raise the chances of developing heart disease. Observational examinations of humans have discovered that magnesium deficiency through dietary intake ups the chances of higher blood pressure. Fortunately, the link doesn't just go one way. A meta-analysis of studies on magnesium saw that supplements of this vital mineral can successfully decrease blood pressure levels. To stay up to date with our latest videos, make sure to subscribe and press the notification bell button to get some interesting stuff in upcoming videos. Number 4. Irregular heartbeat. Arrhythmia, or an irregular heartbeat, is a severe problem. It can lead to chest pain, shortness of breath, lightheadedness, or even fainting. And these irregular heartbeats can be driven by low levels of magnesium. It's thought this is another sign that has to do with a lack of magnesium, making secondary deficiencies, in this case, potassium. Number 3. Seizures. The same mechanism that leads to muscle cramps and spasms is also behind this severe symptom of magnesium deficiency. It is considered that a lack of magnesium aggravates the nervous system by impacting calcium in cells. Number 2. Chocolate cravings. Okay, we'd all love to consume chocolate every day, all the time, but we are talking about a more severe problem. Suppose you feel like your body desperately requires chocolate more than just on occasion or the week before your period. In that case, this could be a signal to up your magnesium intake. Dark chocolate is rich in magnesium, and just 1 ounce loads in 12% of your daily requirements. However, a chocolate craving could also be because of a lack of sleep or excess stress levels, among other things, so don't freak out so much over this one. Number 1. Osteoporosis. You likely know that vitamins are implicated in your chance of developing osteoporosis, specifically vitamins D and K, along with old age. Magnesium deficient individuals are also at a more increased risk of developing the disease that weakens bones and puts individuals at a more increased chance of fractures. But getting enough magnesium can assist in more ways than one. Sufficient magnesium intake is linked with higher bone mineral density and can control hypocalcemia. Though magnesium, or lack thereof, can act instantly on your bones, it also impacts their strength by driving a lack of calcium. Of course, these are just some signs that may appear with a magnesium deficiency. Each individual may actually experience all, some, or none of these signs, even in the presence of a defect. The good news is there are numerous delicious ways to rev up your magnesium intake, and it's pretty easy to sneak these foods into your diet. Try topping your salad with nuts or seeds, or try out a bean and veggie taco bowl instead of beef or chicken. Changing your white bread for whole wheat will make a significant distinction too. Also, you can utilize supplements as a secondary source of magnesium. There are so many options out there, but you should talk to your healthcare provider before beginning a supplement. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like it. Thanks for tuning in. Wishing you a great day.